The two sides discussed various aspects of bilateral cooperation and underscored the importance of sustained engagement through various dialogue processes, including in the areas of trade, investment, energy, health, education, agriculture, and climate change. Pakistan and the United States have robust bilateral institutionalized mechanisms, including on trade and investment, energy security, climate change and environment, health, and counterterrorism. Pakistan will continue to engage with the United States to enhance bilateral cooperation and understanding. As the genocide takes place in Gaza, Israeli occupation forces continue to take illegal steps in the West Bank in violation of international law. Pakistan strongly condemns the rising violations of human rights by Israel and the increasing number of illegal Israeli settlements in the West Bank. Israel's actions constitute a breach of international law, including humanitarian laws and pertinent United Nations and OIC resolutions. These acts also undermine any prospects of a two-state solution. Pakistan is also deeply concerned about Israeli leaders' bellicose statements to attack Rafah. Any ground assault by Israel on Rafah is unacceptable. The international community must exert every effort to prevent Israel from committing these egregious crimes in Palestine. The UN Security Council must impose an immediate, permanent ceasefire to prevent Israel from escalating its aggression further, and urge Israel to lift the siege of Gaza, facilitate humanitarian assistance, protect the civilians, and hold the perpetrators of the genocide accountable. Pakistan reiterates its full support to the people of Palestine and renew our call for establishment of an independent, viable, and contiguous Palestinian state with pre-1967 borders and Al-Quds al-Sharif as its capital. In the past few days, different parts of the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir have witnessed heavy rains, flash floods, and landslides, resulting in loss of life and property. We express our sympathies with the victims of these natural calamities and pray for the eternal peace of the deceased and wish speedy recovery to the injured. Pakistan strongly condemns India's continued campaign of attacking and seizing the property of Kashmiris in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The reality is that the harsh statements and colonial strategies have been unsuccessful in quelling the determination of Kashmiris for freedom, and these measures are destined to face similar outcomes in the future. Pakistan will continue to extend political, diplomatic, and moral support to our Kashmiri brothers and sisters for the just and peaceful settlement of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN Security Council resolutions. Thank you.